The US spends more on defense than Iran's entire economy. Imagine that. Uncle Sam's military budget could buy the whole of Iran and still have change for a few aircraft carriers. But does that mean the USA would steamroll Iran in a conflict? Let's dive into this explosive comparison. First up, let's talk cold, hard cash. The USA is flexing with an $886 billion defense budget in 2024. That's not just big, it's galaxy brain, huge. Iran, they're scraping by with about $10 billion. It's like comparing a T-Rex to a house cat. But hold up, before you write off Iran, remember David versus Goliath? Iran's got some tricks up its sleeve. They're all about that asymmetric warfare life. Think guerrilla tactics and sneaky moves that could give the US a major headache. Now, let's get to the spicy stuff. Nukes. The USA is sitting pretty with over 5,000 nuclear warheads. It's like having a lightsaber in every room of your house. Iran? Well, that's where things get murky. No confirmed nukes, but they're enriching uranium faster than a squirrel on Red Bull. The CIA has been whispering some wild theories about this. When it comes to air power, it's not even a fair fight. The USA has got a fleet of 13,300 aircraft. We're talking F-35s that make Top Gun look like a kiddie cartoon. Iran, they're still flying F-14s from the actual Top Gun movie. Talk about a blast from the past. Fun fact, they can't even repair these old birds properly. Ouch. Let's sail into naval territory. The USA is flexing with 11 aircraft carriers. Each one of these bad boys is like a floating city of destruction. Iran's response? Hold my non-alcoholic beer. They say, as they unleash swarms of suicide, drones, and speedboats, it's like trying to swat 1,000 angry hornets with a tennis racket. But here's where Iran gets scary. Cyber warfare and proxy wars. They're the #1 state-sponsored hacker in the game. US banks in Israel know this all too well. And get this, Iran's pulling the strings of at least 7 terrorist groups. It's like they're the puppet master of chaos in the Middle East. So, who wins in a hypothetical showdown? In a straight-up fight, USA's tech and firepower would likely dominate. But Iran's not playing by those rules. They're all about that long game, causing chaos and headaches for years. Here's us a wild thought to keep you up at night. Could Iran actually sink a US ship? Drop a comment with your vote. Yes or no? Why the US fears Iran's one secret weapon. Want to know what it is? Hit that follow button and stay tuned for the shocking reveal in our next video.